Crypto Bros short-term Bitcoin update. This is the video for all traders. I also have one project for you to show, one AI coin that fits perfectly the narrative that we have right now in crypto. So I'm gonna update you right now short-term. If you wanna hear about long-term, my long-term perspective, go click the previous video. This is a short-term perspective on crypto and Bitcoin market. Coming back weekly to the market, coming back to Bitcoin, like you can see, let's zoom in a little bit. This is 1 hour chart. We basically started pumping since 1st December this year. Let's calculate it once again. All-time high, almost 19%. Right now we are at 16%. So this month we went from 37,600 to 44,700. We're right now at 43,900. So basically, first of all, we hit this level, then we were rejecting it, and we broke 44,200 a little bit, went to 44,700, and then we're back again. You know, I don't really like to put in these trending lines, but it looks like right now an opportunity for me to short the market. Okay, if I wouldn't be opening any long positions right now, I think the risk reward is not basically worth doing it. Remember about important level at 48,000, but still right now what we can see already on the market is a monkey money coming in. So it can pump, it can do whatever, to be honest. But even though there is a monkey money, what I call monkey money, I mean retail money that is pumping Bitcoin just because they see in the news that price is going up, so they are just buying in. Doesn't matter what price there is, they are basically just FOMOing in. But it makes more sense to me still to short right now the market short term. Okay, short term I would be shorting the market. I would be opening a short position to the levels at least of something like $42,000. Okay, but this is very short term. So long term I'm also holding the Bitcoin position. I wouldn't be opening long now. I wouldn't be opening long position right now. You should be already in the long position when we are speaking about it here. Okay, that was a good entry. 25,000 here when I was basically telling you about this January pump. I actually told you about this whole January pump somewhere in here. So that was the entry for the long term. Right now I wouldn't be opening a long position. I would be waiting for a better entry. Maybe something like 42, maybe something like even lower, like $37,000. So short term, I think it makes sense if we get to levels once again of 44,500, of maybe $45,000. I would be shorting the market. So let's go to fear and greed. This is important to see right now. Let's see the 1 month. Like you can see, we are at quite big greed now on the market. 3 months, yeah, the highest greed on the market in the last 3 years, and basically within the year. This is also to me more important than technical lines. The greed is more important to me to short the market than technical lines, okay, than trending lines. But if we have some stabilization on the market, like I always tell you, on Bitcoin you can do what from the current price 2-3x. If we get to a proper altcoin season, we have a pretty good returns from, let's say, top 700. We have projects doing like 500, 400%. So already you could catch on these pumps if you are early. If we take a look at top 500, you can see. If we take a look at top 300, you can see there is like AI token gave the biggest return. So for this reason, I want to show you a project that I found at only 5 million market cap, Open Fabric AI. Okay, the token is called OFN. It's been already available to trade on KuCoin, BitGet, Dodo Exchange, also on the DEX, on PancakeSwap. So the reason I'm telling you is I basically really like the idea. It's basically layer 1 blockchain for AI, for building and connecting decentralized AI apps. If you're not familiar with AI business models, I can tell you now that, in my opinion, right now on the current specific market, the best business models in AI are, first of all, connected to crypto, and second of all, connected to AI apps, AI tools. And like you can see, this is basically what I do. So it makes a lot of sense to me. This is still only 5 million market cap. I think when we have the real AI trend, the real AI hype, this token can do very, very well. So basically this blockchain can become a base to create and use these apps. There is an experienced team. I'm going to leave you all the links in the description if you want to check this out. Like you can see, here's the team section, and the plan of it is to be completely free, like let's say an app store for AI, something like this. Okay, so anybody can create, anybody can use these apps. drug discovery, for example. Okay, if you get to the info about it, you can see the whole information about the project. You can see the explanation. If you get to others, let's say SoundFabric AI, okay, let's see more info about it. So this is something that is, to be honest, very interesting to me. The project has been audited by CertiK and Haken, so there's gonna be no problem about it. So their token, the OFN, is basically gonna be used for some of their tools as a payment method, and also for node rewards. The IDO details you can see here, the Chain GPT, and it was sold out 20 seconds. Engine Starter, CDFI, Pulse Finance. So like I told you, the IDO trend is here. Once again, all the links in the description. If you want to check this, you can join their Telegram. There's 55,000 people. Coming back to BTC, we're going up a little bit. If we get around this level, I might be opening a short position. But remember, this is risky. I'm not telling you to repeat it. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always your own research. Dior. Also interesting thing, Altcoin monthly index, we are at 55 right now. We were actually in November, and I could feel it. We could see it. We could notice it on the market. We were end of November actually in the Altcoin month. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for the video. I'll catch you in the next one.